All right, Ken Range Theory Trader back with you with another video with the 9 a.m. recap on pound CAD long. I took this trade, but got out way too early and went for another trade that ended up losing on it. But this one played out. Should have stayed patient, but I didn't. So real simple. We just when it comes to trading the 9 a.m. candle, you have to remember you're trading primarily New York session, so you're counting on New York. I'm sorry, Asia to consolidate, London session more or less to candle three manipulation, money candle, etc. You're counting on it in a long example to make the low of the day close inside of this range, and then you just want to see straight expansion for candle three, which should start at 9 a.m. And I like the start and stay rule, which means that when this candle starts to turn green, it should stay green. So let's drop down to the 5-minute chart and look at our best entry. Let me get my 9 a.m. template here and bring on the fair value gaps just to show where there is momentum. And if you notice, when the candle opened, it opened right here at 9 and dipped down. So the absolute best entry would have been right here off of the weekly/daily open. I mean, that gave a great entry. That price never revisited this low. So you could have took a long position here with a very tight stop loss. We'll just do a 10. That's like the lowest I'll go. And let's just say, I don't mind doing 1 to 3. That would have been in and out. You did get another chance though right here, where price retraced into this fair value gap at about 10:40 a.m. Could have got 1 to 3 on that one as well. In terms of additional entries, if you wanted to scale in, let's see here. My first entry was it was around here, and then I added a couple more as I noticed this candle was closing above the entry candle. So right here, but the first entry being like down here. So you could do that. And as well for the retrace, like I said, you could have got in there. And what I like to do is this for adding positions. A good rule of thumb is to either add in the fair value gap or add when the candle closes above your entry candle. So let's make this a little bigger. If you entered on this red candle right here, say on this pullback, you couldn't enter until price closed above the high of this red candle. That includes the wick. That didn't happen until right here at 11:20. Okay, but that's a good rule of thumb. So that way the market is proving to you that it wants to go higher by breaking this high, the entry candle's high. Whatever candle you enter on, you wait for another 5-minute candle to close above it. So this means that you're in profit, right? And then if you want to add another one, this candle right here closed above this one. So you could have added a third one right there. That's it. But on this base position, like I said, it gave 1 to 3. If you can get 1 to 3 with a good risk to reward ratio, that's more than enough in my mind. But it actually went for, currently, because this is still the live chart, is still making another high. 1 to, is that 1 to 6? Yeah, so should have held on to this one, but I did not. Live and learn. There'll be another one tomorrow, so I'm not tripping on it. And so that's that. All right, but appreciate you watching. That was a great trade for the day, pound CAD. So we'll see what tomorrow brings, but I appreciate your time and attention. Thanks for watching, and have a great rest of your day. Take care.